We will solve from المتميز book revision mathematics February month. Look at with B about question number 1. The smallest like denominator of 5 or 6 and 1 over 3. We know 6 can divide it by 3, then 6 is the least common multiplication between denominator. Then the smallest like denominator of 5 or 6 and 1 over 3, it will be 6. Choose letter B because 6 can divide it by 3. Write 6 about question number 1. Number 2, simplest form of 6 over 12. We know 6 half of 12. Then we can write simplest form of this fraction. It will be 1 over 2. The result will be 1 over 2. 4 and 2 over 10 is equivalent to what? We can write 4 and 2 over 10 simplest numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2, 4 and 2 over 10 will be 1, 5 and 4. 4 and 1 over 5. Because 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then the simplest form will be 4 and 1 over 5. Simplest form of 4 and 2 over 10. It's like question number 3. It will be 4 and 1 over 5. Next example, the least common denominator, least common multiples of denominators 4 over 7 and 2 over 5. We know 7 and 5, we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiples between two denominators here, it will be their product. 7 times 5 equals 35. The result will be 35. Next question, number 6. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 16. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators will be 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. 1 times 4 equals 4. Then 3 plus 4 equals 7. The result will be 7 over 16. Question number 7. 2 over 8 plus 6 over 8. We have like denominator. 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then 8 over 8 it will be 1. Question number 8. 7 over 9. Subtract by 3 over 9. We can write 9 in the numerator. 7 minus 3 it will be 4. Then the result will be 4 over 9. 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators 15. 3 times 5 equal 15 and 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. 2 times 5 equal 10. And then we can write 15 in the numerator. 10 plus 3 equal 13. Then the result will be 13 over 15. Next example, space plus 5 over 8 equal 1. We can find this number by finding the difference between 1 and 5 over 8. We know 1 equal 8 over 8. Then 5 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equal 8 over 8. It will be 1. Then we must write here 3 over 8. Okay. Next question. Question 11. Space plus 5 over 10. It will be 1. We know 1 equal 10 over 10. Or you can simplest 5 over 10. It will be half. Half plus half it will be 1. Because 5 half of 10. Or you can write 1 here equal 10 over 10. And 10 over 10 equal 5 over 10 plus 5 over 10. Next question, number 12. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 minus 0 it will be 1. This question 13. And we must choose letter C. 1 subtract by 0 over 3. Because 0 over 3 it will be 0. 1 minus 0 equal 1. Okay. Next question. 1 subtract by 3 over 5 subtracted by 2 over 5 will be what? We know 1 equal 5 over 5. You can write 5 in the numerator. 5 minus 3 equal 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 over 5, it will be 0. Then the result will be 0. Question 15. 1 plus 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5. We can write 1 here, 5 over 5. Plus 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5, it will be 5 over 5. It will be 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the result here will be equal to. Question 16. 1 over what equal 12 over 24? We can divide it by 12. Divided by 12. 12 divided by 12, 1. 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Then the result will be 1 over 2. Next example, 1 over space equal 8 over 24. 8 divided by 8, 1. Then 24 divided by 8 equal 3. You can write 1 over 3. Next example, 4 and 3 over 5 not equivalent to what? Not equivalent to what here? We have 10 and 3 over 5. It's not equivalent because 4 will be equal 4. 4 not equal 10. Okay, it's not equivalent. Question 19. 8 and 1 over 6 plus 3 and half equal space. We can write 8 and 1 over 6 plus 3 and half, it will be 7 over 2. Okay, it will be what? 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. And then we can write the least common multiplication between two denominator. 6 can divide by 2. Then the least common multiplication between two denominator, it will be 6. Then you can write 8 and 1 over 6 plus, write 6 in denominator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 7 equals 21. And then write 8 and 6 in denominator. 21 plus 1, it will be 22. And then you can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 22 divided by 2 equal 11. Then the result will be 11 over 3. But 11 over 3, you can simplify it. You can simplify it. This fraction. Okay. 11 over 3. We can convert this fraction. We called it proper. It was 8 plus 11 over 3. You can write 3 here, and the last number can divide it by 3. It will be 9, and write 2 because 9 plus 2 equal 11. And then we know 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then the result will be 8 plus 3 plus 2 over 3. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Then you can write 11 and 2 over 3. It's the result about this example. Understood? Again, we 8 21 plus 1 equal 22. 22 divided by 6. Here you can simplify by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. The result will be 8 and 11 over 3. 11 divided by 3 equal 3 and the remainder 2. Write 3 here, or we can write 11 equal 9 plus 2. 9 divided by 3 equal 3, and we have 2 over 3. 3 plus 8 equal 11, and we have 2 over 3 here. Then the result will be 11 and 2 over 3. Question number 20. 190 second equal space minute. We must convert from second to minute by divided by 60, because 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Then you can write 190 divided by 60, and then you can simplify it. We can simplify this by divided by 10 numerator and denominator. We can divide it by 10 here. The result will be 19 over 6 divided by 10 numerator and numerator. And then convert 19 over 6 from proper to mixed number. Write 6, and 3 times 6 equal 18 and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 3 and 6 minutes. Okay, go 3 product by 6 equal 18 and remainder 1. Next example, 18 month equal space year. We know 1 year equal 12 months. 12 months. We can convert here, write 18 divided by 12. We can sample it by divided by 6 numerator and numerator. 10 divided by 6 equal 3 and 12 divided by 6 equal 2. 3 over 2 it will be 1 and half. Write 1 and half. Or you can write 18 equal 12 plus 6. 12 equal 1 year and 6 half of the year. We have 1 year and half year. 1 plus half it will be 1 half. You can solve by this method or this method as you like, okay? Question 22, 3/4 year equal space months. We can write 3 over 4 product by what? We know 1 year equal 12 months. Then product by 12 and 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Then we can write here 9 months. 9 months, okay? 2 here, it will be 10 over 5. Subtract by 2 over 5, subtract by 1 over 5. Because the least common multiplication between 2 or 3 denominators will be 5. You can write 5 in the numerator. 10 minus 2 it will be 8. 8 minus 1 it will be 7. Write 5 in the numerator. 7 divided by 5 equal 1 and the remainder 2. Then the result will be 1 and 2 over 5. But if you put here brackets, the result will be wrong. Don't put brackets here. Next question. 5 plus 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5. We can write 5 plus eat them. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 plus 5 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Next example. 2 over 3 plus 7 over 12 equal 1 plus space. We can write 12 in the numerator here, and 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 times 4 equal 8. And then we can sample this example. Write 12 in the numerator. 7 plus 8 equal 15. 15 over 12 you can sample it by divided by 3 numerator and numerator. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. And then you can convert from proper to mixed number. 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and remainder 1. Then we have 1 here and remainder 4th. 1 plus 4th will be 1 and 4th. Next question. We have 4th plus 3 over 12 well 1 subtract by space. We can eat them by write the least common multiplication between two denominator 12. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 3 times 1 equal 3. And then you can eat them. Write 12 in the numerator. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 over 12 it will be half. 1 subtract by half it will be half. Then we must write half in the space. Next example, if m minus 5 over 7 it will be 1 over 4. We can find the value of m. M here we call this the median. To find the value of median you must add the difference to subtrahend. We can add them by write the least common multiplication between them their product. 28. 7 times 1 equals 7. 4 times 5 equals 20. Then the sum of them equals 27 equal for 28. This is the sum of them between two numbers. Question 18. 7 over 14 plus e equal half. 7 over 14 it will be half. Half plus 0 equal half. Then the value of e it will be 0. Next question. 11 over 16 equal subtract by a equal 4. Then the value of a equal 11 over 16 subtract by 4th. We can write 11 over 16 subtract. We can write the least common multiplication between them 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. 1 times 4 equals 4. You can write 16 numerator. 11 minus 4, it will be what? It will be 7. Because 7 plus 4 equals 11. Question 30. 12 over 20 is equivalent to space. We can divide it by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Then the result will be 3 over 5. 25 over 8 is equivalent to what? We can convert from proper to mixed number. 25 divided by 8 equals 3 and the remainder 1. So 3 times 8 equals 24 and the remainder 1. Okay, choose letter C. Question 32. 3 and 5 over 6 equivalent to what? Write 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 plus 5 equals 23. Okay, choose letter D. 3 and 2 over 6 will be 3 and a half. Sorry, it will be 3 and third. Because 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 and third. 3 and third. You want equivalent to what? We have 23 over 6. Write 6 here. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. In this example again, 3 and 2 over 6 equivalent to what? 2 over 6, we can divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then the result will be 3 and third. 3 and third. It's wrong equation, okay? But we have 2 and 8 over 6 in letter A. It's equivalent 8. Choose letter A. Look at again. 2. We can write here 2 and 8 over 6. We convert this number from mixed number to improper. Write 6 in numerator. And 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 2 equals 20. And letter A give us 2 and 8 over 6. We can convert this mixed number to improper. Write 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Then you must choose letter A about this example. Okay, pay attention about this question. 8 and 8 over 8 it will be 9, because 8 over 8 it will be 1. 1 plus 8 it will be 9. Choose letter D. Understood? 8 and 8 over 8 it will be plus. It's meaning plus. 8 plus 1 it will be 9. You must write 9 here. 5 and 2 over 8 plus 3 and 6 over 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and write 8 in the numerator. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Some of them it will be 9 again. It's like question 34. 36, 6 and 1 over 5 subtract by 2 and 3 over 5. We can find the difference between two numbers. 1 minus 3 we can't do it, so we must borrow 1 from 6 to be 5, and 5 plus 1 equals 6, or 1 will be 5 over 5 plus 1 over 5 will be 6 over 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. Then the result will be 3 and 3 over 5. Next example. 3 and 8 subtract by 2 and 3 over 8. Here we must borrow 1 from 3, it will be 2, and 1 will be 8 over 8 plus 1 over 8, it will be 9 over 8 subtract by 2 and 3 over 8. 2 minus 2 0, and 9 minus 3 it will be 6. 6 over 8 we can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. Then the result will be 3 over 4. Understood? In this example 37, if he change, we must change the sign because the result will be 5.5. If we change the sign here from negative to positive, the result will be what? We can write 5 and 8 and 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then the result will be 5.5 if we change the sign. Okay, but he gives us the difference. You can find the difference between two numbers by last questions. Okay, 9 and 2 over 9 subtract by 3 and third. Write 9 and 2 over 9 subtract by 3. Right here, let's multiplication between them. 9, 3 times 3 equal 9, 3 times 1 equal 3. But 2 subtract by 3, we can't do it. So we must borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8. And 1 equal 9 over 9 plus 2 over 9, it will be 11 over 9. Subtract by 3 and 3 over 9. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. And 11 minus 3, it will be 8. And write 9 in the numerator, then the result will be 5 and 8 over 9. We have 5 and 8 over 9. Again, simplest it. Write 5 plus 8 over 9. Solve this example again with me. 9 and 2 over 9 subtract by 3 and third. We must borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8, and 9 over 9 plus 2 over 9, it will be 11 over 9. 8 minus 3 equal 5, and 11 minus 3, it will be 8. And the result will be 5 and 8 over 9. Okay, understood about question 38. 5 and 8 over 9. Okay, again, okay, I will solve it again. 9 and 2 over 9 subtract by 3 and third. We can write 9 and 2 over 9 subtract by 3. Write 9 in the numerator. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 1 equal 3. 2 minus 3, we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8. And 1 equal 9 over 9 plus 2 over 9, it will be 11 over 9. Subtract 3 and 3 over 9. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. 11 minus 3, it will be 8. Result will be 5 and 8 over 9. Question 39. 4 and 3 over 7 plus what equal 5 and third. We can find this number by find the difference between two numbers. Write 5 and third, subtract by 4 and 3 over 7. In this example, we can find the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 21 because 3 and 7 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiples between 7 and 3 will be 0 product. 7 times 1 equals 7 and 3 times 3 equals 9. But 7 minus 9 we can't do it. So we must borrow 1 from 5, it will be 4. And write 21 in the numerator. 7 plus 21, it will be 28. Okay, because we borrow 1 from 5, it will be 4, and 1 equal 21 over 21 plus 7 over 21, it will be 28 over 21. And then we can write the difference between them. Write 21 in the numerator. 4 minus 4 equals 0. And 28 subtract by 9, it will be what? It will be 19. Then the result here, it will be 19 over 21. Next question 40. M subtract by 7 and 2 over 12 equals 3 and 4. So we can find the value of M by finding the 8 about two numbers. 3 and 4 plus 7 and 2 over 12. Okay, write 12, least common multiplication between two denominators. 3 times 4 equals 12, 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and write 12 in the numerator. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then the result will be 10 and 5 over 12. Question 41. We want to find the value of a. A plus 6 and 4 over 12 equal 9 and 3 over 4. We can find the value of a by finding the difference between two numbers, right? 9 and 3/4, subtract by 6 and 4 over 12. Then the value of a, it will be what? We have the least common multiplication between them equal 12. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 3 times 3 equal 9. Subtract by 6 and 4 over 12. 9 minus 6 equal 3, and then write 12 in the numerator. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Then the result will be 3 and 5 over 12. Question 42. We have 5 and 5 subtract by e equal 3 and 3/5. We can find the value of e by finding the difference between two numbers. 5 and 5 subtract by 3 and 3/5. Then we can write the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 10. 2 times 5 equal 10. And 5 times 1 equal 5. 2 times 3 equal 6. But 5 minus 6 we can't do it. So we must borrow 1 from 5 will be 4. And 1 plus 5 over 10 it will be 15 over 10. Subtract by 3 and 6 over 10. And then 4 minus 3 it will be 1. Write 10 in the numerator. 15 minus 6 it will be 9. Then the result will be 1 and 9 over 10. Okay, again, this question number 42. We can write 5 and 1 over 5 subtract by 3 and 3 over 5. The least common multiplication between them equal 10. 5 times 1 equal 5. 2 times 3 equal 6. 5 minus 6 we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 5 it will be 4. And 1 equal 10 over 10 plus 5 over 10 it will be 15 over 10. 15 minus 6 equal 9. And 4 minus 3 equal 1. Then the result will be 1 and 9 over 10. Half year equals 6 months. Because 1 year equals 12 months, then half will be 6. 6 years, 6 is here, it will be 6 times 12, it will be 2 months. Half a 50 hour, space minute, we can write 1 over 5 product by 60, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 60 divided by 5 equals 12, then you can write 12 minutes. 1 on each day equals space hour. We know 1 day equals 24 hours. Then you can write 24, it's 1 day, and each day, each times 24. Write 24, and each of 24 it will be 3, because 24 divided by equal 3. 24 plus 3 it will be 27. Then the result will be 27 hours. The mixed number 5 and 3 over 7 by regrouping equal what? We have 5 and 3 over 7. We can convert it by borrow 1. Write 5 here, it will be 4, and 1 and 3 over 7. And 1 will be 7 over 7 plus 3 over 7. We can write 4 and 3 plus 7 equal 10. The result will be 4 and 10 over 7. It's equivalent it. 2 and 4th year equals space months. 2 and 4th year equals space months. We know 2 years will be 2 times 12, because 1 year equals 12 months. And 4th year, 4th product by 12. Then the result will be 24 plus 4th of 12, it will be 3. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Question 49. 6 and 3 over 7 subtract by 4 and Third, we can write the least common multiplication between them. It will be 21. 3 times 3 it will be 9. 7 times 1 is 7. And 6 minus 4 equal 2. And write 21 in numerator. 9 minus 7 equal 2. And the result will be 2 and 2 over 21. Fourth plus third. The least common multiplication between them equal 12. 3 times 1 equal 3. 4 times 1 equal 4. Then the result will be 7 over 12.